Here you go, Mustang fans. 2017 Shelby GT350. This particular car, one owner vehicle from our area. A little over 1,000 miles on it. Adult owned, adult driven. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. No paint work appears to be done anywhere on this car. Now, as far as still pictures, so you can check the underside of this out, check out the interior, check out the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Of course, the hand-built flat plane crank 5.2 liter V8 screaming with an 8,250 RPM red line. Unbelievable fun performance car. That's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Now, as you can see, we do have the Shelby splitter down there. We installed that. It wasn't on the car until the car is here. It was in the box with the owner. Of course, that was a Ford dealer installed part that went on the car. So just so you know, that has not even been driven on the road with that splitter on. The box is still in the trunk, as well as the GT350 car cover will be in the trunk in this one. There's a copy of the window sticker also that will go with this car. Of course, the aluminum painted wheels, those would be stock, as well as the stock Michelin Pilot Sports that would have came with it. Interior would be the ebony cloth and suede combination Recaros. There's your 6-speed. Of course, center console. Shadow black, white stripe car. White stripes would be an option. A couple of the other options that were ordered that you'll be able to see on the window sticker, FYI. This one does come with the Sync 3. Of course, the racing stripes I just mentioned. And then it does have the electronics package. I believe off the top of my head, dual climate control or dual zone climate. You'd have a CD with Sirius XM radio and voice activated touchscreen with the nav. That would be in on that electronics package, I do believe. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust that is variable. I have it in the sport mode. We're going to start it up here in a little bit so you can hear it run. We'll check out the exact miles. Remember, a little over 1,000 mile, one owner Shelby GT350. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Still pictures. You can see the underside all around this car. Interior, there's probably close to 100 pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, this car is basically a street legal track car. This particular one has not been tracked. Owner had a few too many toys, brought this over along with a late model Harley also. Thinning out his herd a little bit. I think he might be adding something to it, though, the way it sounds again. So that's his loss, your gain. You're looking for a low mile, well taken care of GT350. Here you go. These cars would have been over 60,000 new, the way this one is equipped. And again, you'll be able to check that out on the window sticker if you check out the still pictures. Get a picture of it in there. And then, of course, all your modern amenities, the power windows, locks, mirrors. This one has the driver's information center. It has all your basically digital readout of any of your gauges. Would have your track options. You know as much about these as I do. If you are doing some research and looking at purchasing one, all the steering wheel controls. Again, easiest way to check it out is check out that window sticker. You're going to see how this one was equipped from Ford. And again, call if you have any questions. Of course, push button start. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. There's your miles, if you can see it down here, 1,056. The gauge mode, if I click on OK, that's where you're going to be able to go in and see all your gauge readings. You want to go back, you want to tripper fuel, here's your track apps, where you have your line lock, launch control, again exhaust mode. Sport, so you get a little deeper throaty sound out of it. We slip around back, and here's your dual zone climate, of course oil pressure, oil temp gauges, chassis number there if you can see that. It's what you'd expect. Car this kind of miles on it and well taken care of. Sounding car, again, red line on these, 8,250 RPMs. Coming out of that 5.2 liter. Speaking of which, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop that hood open and see how that engine bay looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Cold air intake, factory air filter, strut tower brace, Ford Performance. Builders name, and the insignia of the names in the GT350 plaque when it would have went down the line when the engine was built. Of course, they had two-person teams that built the V8s. Kind of harkens back to the Cobras back in the day. Smooth runner, what you'd expect. This thing's never been driven in inclement weather. The only times it's ever seen water is when it's being washed, wiped off. There you go. Looking for a well-maintained, well-cared for, one owner, clean Carfax, 2017 Shelby GT350 Mustang Coupe. Here you go. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.